A lot of the attacks that I got was from our people. They said I told them to defend themselves. I didn't give them arms. I will not give you arms. Find out how these people who have it got it. Use the same means to defend you, to defend yourselves. If you Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you are getting our video. From me, from here is good afternoon. I welcome you all our followers. I welcome you all, men and women. I welcome you all, the good people of Biafra. I say welcome you to this platform for today. I welcome you all good Igbo people. I say welcome you all here on this platform. As you are doing that, please do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, join us on this very channel as we are preaching the gospel. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. So we move. Our topic today, we are going to talk about we, the people, we have to defend ourselves because of what is going on. Why did I play all this video the video I was playing? Why I played that is Danjuma. He was telling his people, you have to defend yourself. Oh, he said that some people say that you didn't give us any arms or give us anything to use to defend ourselves. He said that if you have to find out how those people who is killing you, these Fulani terrorists, getting their arms. You do the same and get your own and defend yourself. That you have to, that the military and the police and all the arms apparatus, they have collude together. So let's start from there. Sorry. What we are going to do today, you people have seen the video parading all over in social media that is going on from the congressman in US, what he was saying that about the funding, how they are funding terrorists in all over part, and the Boko Haram, how it happens. Let's play it a little bit so that we refresh some people's memory. Maybe you didn't hear it. I will play one or two videos here, but let's start from him.
Get some of that money. Who gets some of that money? Does that name ring a bell to anybody in the room? Because your money, $697 million annually, plus the shipments of cash funds madrasas, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Boko Haram, ISIS Khorasan, terrorist training camps. That's what it's funding. If you think...
Let me stop it there. Excuse me, it's called there. He said that your money are funding all these terrorists. This huge of amount that he was mentioning here. How many million? $697 million. They used to fund all these terrorists. That is why I want us to build what we are saying today from here. If you people know that this kind of money is what they are using to fund terrorists, for when they use this kind of amount of money, is for you to know that when our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says something, you know that our leader is really a prophet. Because of he told you there is an international conspiracy against we the Biafra. Because of that, he have written petition on top of petition. He have went to many places. He have report to many places. He have went to ICC. Nobody is answering. That was the time he came. He said that that we are going to do this by ourselves. That is when the time he raised up ESN, Eastern Security Network. That is when he raised up, he told the whole international world that nobody is coming to our rescue. Nobody is ready to listen to what is happening to us. That we now have taken the bull by the horn. That we have taken it by ourselves to do it by ourselves. You understand? That is when some people calling, because of in this program he was making, some people ask him, our leader, how are we going to fund these people? How are we going to get our sticks and our walking sticks and our granules? He said that he respond to those people. He said that in 1967, who come to your rescue? That we build arms, we built what we used to defend the land of Biafra from 1967 to 1970. That other people who help us, thanks, but that one is an applause. You understand? Because of why am I saying this? Because of why I'm saying this is because of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have seen this. This is why you see him now perishing in the DSS dungeon. Nobody is talking. International community keep quiet. Now, did you remember when Jonathan was in the power, when Ihejirika was the chief defense, was the general, when he was fighting all these terrorists? You remember this thing I'm telling you? When he was fighting all these terrorists, they say that the northern people went to America saying that Jonathan regime is killing their people. It's on the social media there. They went to write petition. That is why they didn't give Jonathan weapons to fight, because of Jonathan and the Hejirika then was doing a marvelous job to wipe these people out before they will get a stand, for them to get, before they will get a hold where before they will be doing all this atrocity you see now that is going on. Now, Obama conjures with Buhari. You know that when you see Fulani know something, because of they have one target in their mind to what they want to do. They have only one target, they have only one purpose, because of them see that international conspiracy is on what is going on there now. Now that is why you see Obama now collide, then collude together with Buhari to chase away. That is why you see Jonathan is on the record there. Jonathan was saying that the kind of interference that American government was doing, their interference was too much during Obama regime. Because of what? These people, they are the one using this money they call aid, they are funding, they are using it to fund arms men who is going to kill me and you, who is killing their own citizen, and they are happy. That is why our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can write petition to whoever. Nobody want to say something. Are they gonna help you to destroy the evil that they have planted? You understand the question there? Because of, if those people you are calling saying international community, please will come to our aid, then come. They are the one who have already planted this seed, this evil, because of they are going to, because of when there is a casualties, when there is a casualties in a place, that is where they benefit from. Where there is, when you see there is a state that is this, the country, when things is not working well, this is for their own special benefit. That is why they can arm people to cause insurgents in that country you call Nigeria, and they, who are helping them, because of Fulani have the same mind of conquering you. So now they see this opportunity coming to them, then grab it with their two legs and their two hands, knowing that then we arm their people and use it to do this dirty job for them. After that, then we occupy that land. The only thing that those their master, they want your resources in that land. That is why for you to know, anywhere you say there is war, there is the soldiers, they're telling you this and that, there is something in that ground. There is something there. And which people are aiding these people to be doing this evil? Is your governors, is your elite. That is why you can see southeast governors, they don't have no say, because of these people are just a puppet. When you have puppet in the house, these people are just puppet, they can't say nothing. Who are the people who know what is going on is Fulani? That is why Jonathan, they make sure they chase away Jonathan and make Ihejirika to resign. They make sure, Obama make sure that Jonathan will go, for them to able to achieve this their evil that they are doing today. Did you people remember Dr. Obudaya, Malafia Obudaya, rest in peace, that died? When this man was revealing this, Malafia Obudaya was revealing this. He said that during COVID, the man is dead now. During COVID, that the video is there, it's on the social media. During COVID, that these people that he have the opportunity to meet to one or two commanders that was working with Boko Haram. Obadiah Lafayette said that when after interviewing them, talking to this man, he find out that this guy who was saying, he said that it was one, is repented one, that want to talk to them, that volunteered to give them information, but it was commander that was telling him that the commanders of these terrorists, they are inside the government. Understand? He was mentioning names and telling him who are the commander. They are working in their sorok. Now, Obudaya said that these people, that money is not their problem, that they are moving logistics during the COVID-19, during the lockdown, they are moving logistics, they are moving money. That money is not their problem. You understand? Because for you to know that the people who have planted this, that is why during the COVID, you see them, they were moving Fulani, especially to the southeast. They are moving them there. They are moving them everywhere. You understand? Are our people, our governors, who are their puppets, who cannot even stand up, who cannot even ask a question? Those people, that is why I tell you that these people are part of your problem, because of what? They are giving them, they are just giving them cross, just that small cross. They feel that, oh, our children, then give them all these things, and they don't know that they are helping these people to destroy the life of their own. My brothers and sisters, that is why you see our leader can be languishing in the prison, those international community, how do you think that then will react? How do you think that then will talk? They will not talk because of they know what our leader Mazen Nanduku Kalo is fighting for. Is one of the seed that them, those international community that we are running to, calling international community, we are calling this one. You have seen the report that come from one of the biggest international, from America. You have seen that report. For you to know there is no way out, is only we, the people, we have to defend ourselves. We have to go back to what our leader said. Our leader said that the arms that we are going to use to defend our land, that we are going to build it by ourselves. Because of if we are waiting for somebody from somewhere to give us what we are going to use to defend ourselves, that we will wait to their kingdom come, that all of us will perish. So for that reason, that is why he raised Eastern Security Network then. Not this one now, before they sabotage everything. If like that, they didn't sabotage the good work of our leader because of there is money. They have money. Fulani have money. Money, so they have getting money for, because of Fulani are these terrorists they are talking about. Roaming cow from one place to another, from one corner to another. Go to many places. That is why they can come to our land. They can come and destroy life and property. Nobody will say something. You go to international community. You forgot what British was saying before. They will tell you it's former header clashing. Because of they know that they are the one who planted what is doing you. So now, how as a reasonable Igbo man, as a reasonable Biafran, you are not saying that you are hoping these same people to come to your rescue. Kezi force chọrọ ka Chukwu mere Chukwu emelere gị ife niile, mere gị everything, or mee n'anyanwụ nọ n'anyanwụ. Please, as you are watching this program, subscribe to this channel. Join us on this platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Kezi force chọrọ ka Chukwu mere gị now. What else? Because of our leader have said it. This Dr. Obudaya Malafia have said his own. So now our leader, that is why you see them, they hold him there hostage, because of they know that what our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was preaching was truth. And the part of these people, that is why I'm telling our people, if we cannot do this by ourselves, forget it. If you say that you are happy, you are waiting for one day that Donald Trump or America or this country or the other, no. You see, look at what is happening in Congo. Look at what is happening with the M23. Look at what is going on there. Then told those people, those foreign fighters, that you people come to fight for money. We are fighting for our own life, for our generation unborn. This is what our people, our youth, this mindset you have to have. You have to defend yourself. Don't hope that anybody, that a miracle can happen from somewhere. No. Number one, self-defense, you have to defend yourself. That is number one, self-defense. Once you defend yourself, every other thing that comes, let it be a plus to you. That is why I'm telling you, every community, from one community to another neighborhood, you people have chairman. Not our community have to begin to make contact, begin to arrange themselves and be organizing themselves for self-defense from one community to another community, because of what is looming. What is looming? This rain that is coming. If you don't defend yourself from what we are seeing here, there is some videos that when you see this video, you will be tired. Your governors, Sorudo and the other southeast governors, their job now is to come to help these their masters, Fulanis, to come and destroy what you have. They don't care anymore, because of they have been getting their own crops. Their job now is to help them to accomplish this job. And you now hoping that these people will do something to you, your name will be sorry. Because of the area you realize it is better for you. Today, there is fundraising. USB is doing fundraising. The Biafra government is doing fundraising today. You know, that is why I like what Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is doing in Biafran government, because of we have what we call centralized security. When you have this centralized, not like before, when you say, this commander, somebody who is living maybe in Enugu or is staying in Anambra, how can you go and respond to something that is happening in Anambra? No, when you have this centralized own, each community neighborhood by neighborhood. Each people that you know yourself, everybody know you know your terrain, you know your area. You understand? Once you know all this, these men, every community that have men have to provide their own people from there who know your own terrain. That is what the way that we can defend ourselves and defend our women and defend our children. We must to do this because of for our people who is still hoping for governor, hoping for senator, hoping for these people are not go also be also mahando lucky. But for we, the common people, that is why we say, we the people have to do it by ourselves. If you hope for on these people, you have seen what is going on now. The people you are hoping, you are writing bunch of letters to, international community come, ICC come, the other one come. These people are part of your problem. The earlier you realize it and start thinking what you are going to do for yourself first, that is better for you. From me, from here is good afternoon. As you are getting this video, please do us a favor, share this video and subscribe to this channel and join us. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you.